sorry I did not show when I was seasoning, but just some goat meat with some scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, ginger, and everything nice thyme. Hot oil. We got the oil hot ready for the. This is our real cook. So this is our real cook her goat meat, no water. It's in the oil. I'm gonna cover. Ta-da! This curry goat looks so good, smells so good. I can't wait to eat some. Oh my god, I can't wait. And this goat meat, it smells good. It looks so good. See, this is so good. I can't wait. I'm gonna have this right now. So this is how we eat. This is what Jamaican eat curry goat.